Good day, my future employer. My name is Micaela Gregorio. I'm 38 years old. I was born on November 27, 1987. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I am the youngest of the family. I have one brother. I am blessed with 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls. My hobbies is cooking, singing, and dancing. My working experience as domestic helper is in Hong Kong. From February 16, 2016 to February 14, 2018. I served one couple, one children, and one newborn baby. My main duties and responsibilities is cooking, cleaning, taking good care of the baby, and ironing. My second working experience as domestic helper is in Malaysia. From November 7, 2022 until November 5, 2024. My main duties and responsibility is taking good care of the baby, pick up the children in the school, and bring the children in the school. Ma'am, sir, if you hire me, I will promise I will taking good care of your baby and your children. And I will promise I will finish 2 or more years until you need me. And I know how to take good care of the newborn baby because I know how to sing. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Ma'am, sir, please hire me because I'm kindly, honest, and trustworthy. And I will promise I will finish my contract with your family. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, and God bless. Have a good day.